Hello. Okay, let's go ahead and start the demonstration about Joomzilla. Over here we see the main Joomzilla navigation screen with the logo down and two menus, project and help. Under project we see new, open and save. Let's go ahead and start a new project. Over here we see the select a new folder menu option. So let's just go ahead and select desktop and press OK. As we can see, a new tab has been opened with a blank page, and you see three main panels at the bottom. The first panel is called the toolbar panel. It contains all the items that the user is going to drag on the screen to create elements. The second panel will control the properties of elements which were dragged from here, and the third panel contains inner properties which are currently empty but will fill as we see later. So let's go ahead and build a very simple initial website. As you can see, we click and drag over here to create the element, and then we can move them around with the cursor after we navigate the sides or the center to move. Let's go ahead and create the sidebar. Let's make this bigger, and just like that. We put them side by side, and let's create a menu on top, bigger. So I'm gonna change the background of the menu. So I click here, background color, I can change it to whatever, and I can just align these. For the background, let's say I want an image, so I select background image, and I select this pattern. The image selected is repeated on the background. Now I can click footer. Let me add a footer right there, and yeah, just like that. As we can click on several items, we see that the area down here changes. This is because we're styling inner properties for different elements, so it has to change. For example, if you want all the heading h1 tags inside the main content to be red, we select one from here and we go ahead and change the color to red. As you can see, it changes. We can do that for all the tags as well. We can change the font to anything we want from here, and we can change other stuff. We can change the code type, we can change the block code, we can change the background color of the code. We have full control over all the elements which are inside. For the menu, we can also change the background color of the menu. As we can see, this is for the hovered state, so when I hover I get that color. As you can see, whatever color I choose, I can get it. I can change anything for the hover, for the active state, and for the visited, and even the unhovered. We go ahead and make it black. And finally, after you're happy with your design, you can go ahead and press project and save. Alright, now let's go ahead to the desktop. As we can see, a folder called project1 has been created. Let's go ahead and open it. HTML, index.html, and this is the created website. Alright, now as we see here, this is the main Joomzilla panel. What I did is I went to extensions manager, and this is the page. Over here we see the current Joomzilla template which is loaded. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install our template. So I go ahead and copy and paste the template right here and click install. As you can see, the template has been installed. Now we need to go to the template manager and make our new Joomzilla template as the default template, and we go ahead and refresh. As we can see, the template has been loaded correctly into the Joomzilla template. The menu over here is a menu which was created in the module manager and loaded in the exact position over here. We can load the menu in any of these positions, and we can load any module in any of these positions as specified by the template. As we can see, I can even navigate between lots of menu items, and the articles for these links will appear always in the main content which we created. We can load menu items in the sidebar. They will appear in the same style. The styles of this is also the same. In the footer we can load the links that we need, and this is the end of our demo for today.